Sunny Esperanza. Contingents for is under the command of General Recruit Aguale Nelson, with the support of Collegiate Recruit Somewhat China. Special admiration for Contingent 2. Contingent 2. Under the command of policewoman Emenu Patricia with the deputy Adusa Sandra. Yeah. Contingent 5 is under the command of Buachi Enoch. She recruits Buachi Enoch with the support of G recruits Emmanuel in Japan. Contingent 6 is under the command PW recruits Obuobisa of Flavia Loretta. PW recruits Obuobisa of Flavia Loretta. Excellent show. Very impressive. Contingent 7 is under the command of G recruits policewoman Sabla Angela. With the support of PW recruits Afokpa Irene Fafali. The last contingent, Contingent 8, under the able command of G recruits Owusu Enki Cletus, with the support of Kwesi Justice. Yeah. The formation on display now is an arrowhead formation. An arrowhead formation. This is a special formation used in riot control. In this particular display, you'd have two formations combined. A line and an arrow. A formation used in riot control. Shall we please be upstanding?
May I please have the permission to stand and praise to at ease for the presentation of award and delivery of sir. Yes, sir. Hey! Stand! Red! Ice!
It is now time for the presentation of awards and address. The first award going to the best masked man, G Recruit Saidu Mohammed takes home a 32-inch HD LED TV sponsored by Syndicated Capital Ghana. Syndicated Capital Ghana Limited sponsoring this morning the award for best masked man going to G Recruits Saidu Mohammed. My colleagues on the field, G Recruit Charles Ajekum, best in drill. He takes away an orthopedic mattress, a double bed 10 inches, sponsored by Latex Foam Rubber Products Limited. Best in drill going to G Recruit Charles Ajekum. And this award is sponsored by Latex Foam Rubber Products Limited. Congratulations to you, G Recruit Charles Ajekum, for emerging best in drill. The next award goes to G Recruit Anokusi Tony, and he emerges as the best in physical training. He takes home a 32-inch LED TV sponsored by Police Detective Sergeant Alhaji Bawa Abdul Jail. Best in physical training going to G Recruits Anokusi Tony, and he takes away a 32-inch LED TV sponsored by Detective Sergeant Alhaji Bawa Abdul Jalil. The next award, Commanding Officer Special Award, Berima Ajiman Godfred, G Recruit Berima Ajiman Godfred. The award is sponsored by National Police Training School Administration, under the command of Deputy Commissioner of Police, Mr. Edmund Ohene Bosompem.
The overall best recruit, P.W. Ejapon Owusia Alberta, was born on 27th October 1996 to Mr. Samuel Kwajo Ejapon, a commercial driver, and Madam Vaida Dakwa, a trader, all from Akim Achiasi in the Eastern region. PW recruit Ejapon Owusu Alberta had her primary and junior high school education at Jodro Integrated School in Akim Oda, Eastern region. She gained admission to Accra Girls Senior High School in October 2020 and completed in the year 2015. She sat for West Africa Senior Secondary School Certificate, WASEC, in September 2015. On 28 November 2020, she together with 424 other recruits reported to the National Police Training School to begin their basic police training after she was successful in the recruitment exercise as a general recruit. While in training, they were taken through Community Policing, Police Service Regulation 2012, CI 76, Law of Evidence, Criminal Procedure, Criminal Law, Service Instruction, Professional Policing, Ethics, and Investigation, Human Rights and HIV educations, and child-friendly policing. In all, PW recruit Ejapon Owusia Alberta performed creditably that at the end of the standardized recruit examination conducted for 2009 recruits in all the 5 regional police training schools in Ghana, including NPTS, she scored 85%, which placed her to the first position. It is important to state that with her position, she became the overall best recruit at the National Police Training School. In line with the tradition of the Ghana Police Service, I humbly request the reviewing officer, Commissioner of Police, Dr. Akufu Dampare, to present her with the baton of honor in recognition of her excellent performance. Sir.
Special congratulations going to the overall best and best in academics, going to police woman recruits Ejapon Alberta Owusia. The women gathered here today are indeed proud of you. What men can do. Thank you very much, cadet officers. Best in academics and overall best recruits, taking away a 42-inch smart TV sponsored by Consolidated Bank Ghana. Going to PW recruits Alberta Owusia Ejapon.
The Honorable Greater Accra Regional Minister, colleague POMA members, colleagues senior officers, including those from all the sister security agencies, distinguished invited guests, cadet officers, rank and file of our noble profession, my colleagues from the media, recruits yet to pass as a constable on parade, distinguished invited guests. It is with a great sense of duty that I join you this morning on behalf of the police administration to be part of this function of passing out of 425 general recruits. Indeed, the passing out has two significance. The first one is the fact that it marks the end of the basic training of these recruits on parade. And the second bit is the fact that it opens a new chapter for their career as police officers from now for years to come. And it is on this note that I would like to congratulate the commanding officer of the National Police Training School and his team of instructors and supporting staff for doing all what it takes to train them and bring them to the level that we are seeing today. And it is my hope and prayer that we will continue this exercise of producing the men and women of our noble profession. It is also my single privilege on behalf of the Inspector General of Police and the police administration to commend you recruits graduating today for your comportment during your period of training, which has enabled you to be here today to usher yourself into the full position of a constable and then embark upon your career. It is my wish and prayer that the good Lord will give you the strength and the fortitude for you to live up to expectation. And as I say this, let me at this point congratulate all the award winners, particularly PW recruit Alberta Osua Ajapon for emerging as the overall best recruit for this training school. It is my wish and prayer that all of you will go out there and make the country proud, make the Ghana Police Service proud, make your families proud, and make yourself also proud. On that note, I want to say that on the authority of the Inspector General of Police, I declare you duly passed out as constable. Thank you.
Thank you very much for being on your feet.
So, Great, we march off in slow and break into good time.
Kindly take your seats.
Slow! March!
As we march off the parade grounds with a special rendition of the song We Are Going by Osibisa Band, we continue to remind you with the formation on parade, COVID-19 is real. C-19 is the formation on parade. We just want to remind you that COVID-19 is real. On behalf of the Inspector General of Police, James Zapon Bueno, We wish to sincerely thank each and every one of you who took time of your busy schedule to be a part of this morning's program. The passing out of 425 recruits being replicated across the country in Winneba, Ho, Kumasi, Koforidua, Pualugu, and of course the capital here in Accra. We want to specially acknowledge our sponsors, Syndicated Capital Ghana Limited, Latex Foam Rubber Products Limited, Detective Sergeant Alhaji Bawa Abdul Jalil, the administration of National Police Training School, and the Consolidated Bank Ghana for making our award winners happy. We would want to implore, can we please be upstanding? Thank you. And a rendition of the police march, originally done by Superintendent Mr. S.R. Tachimensen.